Hey everybody, it's Kat again with the Plant Trader. I made another order. It's from Nature's Planter by Tory Rand, and I ordered a rosary vine string of hearts. I do have one, but my grandmother wanted one, so I found one on this website. I have ordered before. I think it might come bare root. But they're beautiful for the price and the size of the plant that I got last time. I was very happy. So let's see how it is again. I've got tissue, and I do think it is bare root. Maybe not. I can't actually tell so far. Oh, it did come in a pot. Awesome. That'll be easier to give to her. Okay. Well, it is a bit smaller than I actually thought it was going to be. The first one, I believe, was a fairly decent size, but it does look very healthy, and the one I have grew really, really fast. So for $12, it's okay. I got, they have 20% off or 10% off, something like that, code on their website, and so I went ahead and used that. And shipping was decent priced, but it does look very good, very healthy, and I think she'll be happy. All right, that's Nature's Planters by Tory Rand, and I did have to email him because it wasn't in stock, and he went he replied quickly and put a couple on the site for me. So very friendly, great customer service, and healthy plants. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good night. Happy planting.